What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking all about the first trading day of 2021, and I gotta say I'm extremely excited for all my precious metal bulls, guys. We stuck with it. I stuck with it. I said, I maintained my stance on gold and silver. I'm super bullish, and here we are now. We've got double-digit gains for a lot of the picks, or at least a lot of my picks and the companies that I like and I've talked about for quite a while now. So I'm super happy when it comes to that. We're going to be talking about that, recapping that whole sector along with the other sectors. The market didn't do so good today. The Dow was down roughly, I believe it was 1.6%. So red day on the market, super green day for the precious metal bulls. And this is where it pays to be diversified, because I was laughing today. My portfolio is completely in the green despite, Mindmed dropping even. So I got to say, I'm taking a few seconds here to brag, just a little bit, guys. So for anyone who doesn't like gold and silver, this is never financial advice, but now's the time to wake up. Anyway, so let's get straight into this video. We're doing our giveaway. We're doing our draw. So we've got all of the names. There's a couple hundred names in this bowl right here. Took me quite a while to put it together. So we're going to be doing a giveaway for 3 items, one for the glasses, one for the sweater, and we're going to be giving away 1 bottle. This is not the last of the giveaways. Probably going to do at least 1 to 2 giveaways per week. So of course the way to enter the next giveaway is simply just comment, I want to win Mindmed merch, and that's it. Or you can retweet our Twitter posts, you can follow us on Twitter. Those are all things that you're going to need to do in order to enter the draw. So anyways, let's get straight into it, guys. The last thing I want to say before we do so, I need a few quick things. That first thing, of course, is to explode that like button for the channel. It's so very important, means the world to me, and it helps my videos so very much, along with if you are a new viewer but you appreciate content just like this. You want to see more giveaways, you want to learn about more new and exciting companies, of course don't forget to cash that subscribe button and hit the market bell for notifications on future videos. And of course drop me a comment down below. Of course that's very important. If you want to be entered into the Mindmed draw that's going to be coming up, simply comment, I want to win some Mindmed merch, and then you can say whatever else you want to say in that comment. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what's the first thing that we do in every single one of our videos? Of course that will be comment of the day. I'm going to conveniently make you guys stick around just a few more minutes. We're going to go through the market recap and then we're going to do the draw. So just a few quick comments. Akis, I bought 100 shares at 90 cents. It was my first investment ever. I want that Mindmed merch to remind me of my first stock. So thanks for commenting. Mutant Ref, Happy New Year. Also extend your celebration to the 2nd, and as that's my birthday. Hope you had a great birthday, buddy. Mr. John Edgar, hey Aaron, any supplementary LSD tabs perhaps? No, unfortunately not, but the sweater will do just fine. Dubs Dube, hooking you up with a like and a comment because I like your channel and the fellow Canadian love. Happy New Year, man. You can give the merch to someone else. I'm in it for the gains, and thanks a lot. Those are some of my favorite comments. Last but not least, comment of the day goes to Constantine Savin. Hi Aaron, I know that FSX.V is one of your favorite gold exploration and speculative stocks. You should already reserve for FSX the first place in this top performing stocks for 2021. Happy New Year, and Happy New Year for you and your business, health, and wealth. Thanks, my friend. And FSX had a very great day today. So we're going to be talking all about the gold and silver miners a little bit later on. So now it's time to do the giveaway. Sorry, guys, I kept you waiting for too long. Doc, drum roll, please. I swear I'm not looking, guys. I swear I'm not looking here. You know what? We'll do this. I'll look away. The draw for the sunglasses goes to... Wait, let's get deep in there. 1 second. Oh. Superek 4. SUPEREK 4. You just won the glasses. Now the water bottle. Who gets the water bottle? Let's mix it up a little bit. Shake it up a little bit in there. The anticipation. Who's ready to win this water bottle? Drum roll, please. Jaden Beatty wins the water bottle. And Save the best for last. The biggest prize, the sweater, goes to. Swear I'm not looking. Promise you guys I'm not looking. Drum roll, please. So many names. One sec, guys. Trying to arrive at one. Tyler Crawford wins the sweater. Congratulations, people. So if you heard your name, I will find your comment and reply to it. Please email contact@departurescapital.com with your full mailing address, and I will have those pieces of merch shipped out to you guys. Like I said, this is not the last draw. The names will be kept in the pot, by the way, so this will be a cumulative lottery, and anyone who comments from here on until the next giveaway, which should potentially be this Thursday or Friday, I'll definitely do another one this week. Your names will be entered. So we'll just keep on, entering the people who comment, I want Mindmed merch. So gives you guys a reason to comment on the video above and beyond the fact that you may actually like watching me. So anyways, let's get into the rest of this video. So I got to say, guys, I'm super excited to be talking about this because gold and silver is absolutely flying today. So we've got a couple quick articles from Kitco, but the first thing I do want to talk about is what's going on for the markets. So we did get a red day. The Dow, S&P, and the NASDAQ in the red. The NASDAQ actually on par with the losses of the S&P 500, just by 0.01%. The Dow did close above 30,000, which personally I think start of 2021 we're going to get this rotation into value. I think, I do think that the Dow has more room to run, potentially 33 to 35,000. I think this is more of an excuse to sell the news. That's just my opinion. I do remain fairly bullish on the indices right now and the market in general, unless we get some crazy catastrophic events. The Dow slipped Monday as a close race in the Georgia Senate runoff elections raised concerns over the prospect of a Democrat-controlled Congress that would likely usher in higher taxes at a time when the new strain continues to spread. So there is a bit of uncertainty. We did get substantially higher gold prices today. Now, I don't know if this is because the market thinks that with the Democrat-run Senate, there will be more stimulus, which I think probably would be the case. So we're seeing gold run 2.7%, up $51 per ounce. Silver outperforming gold, up almost a full dollar, up 97 cents per ounce to 27.38. Although we did see higher highs intraday, almost touching 28 bucks per ounce or 27.65. I think the trend is up. I think gold right now is breaking out. It's about time. I've voiced my, opinion on this for a long time. I've said I'm a gold and silver bull, and it's just a matter of time before it runs. The fundamentals are there. So finally, we're getting this. I got to say I'm not surprised, finally. So here are a couple quick headlines from Kitco. We're going to do a couple quick headlines from Kitco. Then we're going to talk about our favorite stocks. Then that's going to be it for the video. So we're going to rack up the gains in the gold and silver sector, talk about all of our favorite stocks along with the psychedelic sector. I did make some buys. I did make some sells. We are going to be doing all those, giving you guys all those updates. So the U.S. Mint sees a 455% increase in gold sales in 2020. Silver demand up 100%. So this was just a cool piece of information. I mean, I'm sure that, we expected to see higher bullion sales, but I just wanted to read that headline. Gold and silver bulls out of the gate strong to start 2021. So this is a little bit of commentary from Jim Wyckoff. Real quick, gold and silver futures prices are trading higher sharply. Midday was trading on Monday, with gold hitting a 7-week high and silver a 3.5-month high. The metals are being boosted by a very anemic U.S. dollar on the foreign exchange market that saw the dollar index hit a 2.5-year low overnight. So super happy to see it, guys. Silver price starts 2021 strong. Can it hit $40? David Morgan's target. So let's see what he had to say. I don't think we're going to see much of a recovery next year. We could, but I don't think we're going to see the risk on type situation. I think a lot of people are going to be looking for safe havens. However, certain sectors that require silver will not be going out of business anytime soon. Next year, you're going to have a push for silver panels more than ever. The demand for the industrial side will be equal to or greater than it was this year, regardless of economic conditions. There are certain things about silver that there is no replacement for. So like I said, I think it's a win-win for silver, that industrial demand, that safe haven demand, people not trusting fiat currencies. The same goes for gold, but silver, is almost like a gold on steroids, just because I feel like millennials are going to be able to make that connection when it comes to silver. Oh my gosh, silver is in Teslas. So everyone, just buys Tesla stock because it only goes up. So people are probably going to buy silver. They might be bullish on silver because once millennials make that connection, they just buy it. Anyways, guys, don't be surprised to see new highs this quarter. Gold jumps more than $50 to start the new year. So this is just a quick article. This is the last one, and then it's into all of the favorite stocks that I want to talk about. So the consolidation in gold has run its course with political risk back on the agenda to start the new year. The upcoming Georgia Senate runoffs and the formal counting of electoral college votes in Congress helped the yellow metal break out of the bull flag, which technically marked its months-long consolidation, in a turn catalyzing a CTA buying program. So I think that this was finally a breakout. We saw gold test 1900 so many times. Like over the past 3 months, it was 1900, test. Finally testing again, and we finally got a breakout. So we'll see how high it goes. It moved $50 an ounce in one day, so I think that 2000 is definitely in the cards. It may struggle a little bit breaking above 2000, but I don't know, guys. A 5 to 10% move to the upside to fresh all-time highs, that really doesn't seem like that much of a stretch for gold. We may get a little bit more of an explosive breakout this time around, just because that's the way the market has been recently. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see fresh all-time highs for gold and then yearly highs, 52-week highs, or multi-year highs for silver above $30 per ounce. We're already at $27.40. So my next question is, what happened to the miners? What happened to some of our favorite silver mining stocks? And let's tally up the gains, guys. So Discovery Metals, one of my favorite silver exploration stocks. Been bullish on this for a very long time. I said it's going to $3, but so far, we're up 14% today. Can't really complain on a red day. So that was one stock I wanted to talk about. I did voice my concern, however, that I wasn't happy with the recent performance, with silver going up on Thursday, and it sold off actually a little bit, but we recouped those gains. So the trend remains up, in my opinion, with the stock making higher lows, and higher highs as well. So this is a very healthy looking chart. I would look to buy, if I was looking to add to my position, I would look to buy the next little pullback if we dip towards $2 yet again, but who knows what could happen if silver keeps on running. I expect these stocks to keep on running. Now, very happy with the performance in Aftermath Silver. This is another stock that's almost like a leveraged play on the price of silver. We're up 12.77% today. Started talking about it when it was $1. Interviewed their chairman, Michael Williams. I bought a decent position in this stock and just held on to it because I felt like anything silver probably is going to run, but I also liked that they have a substantial amount of leverage to the price of silver. So far so good. Up 50 to 60% since I started talking about it again. We did interview them months ago, probably when it was in the 70s or 80s. So Aftermath Silver has been a really awesome performing stock. Now, if you want to talk about gains, let's get to our first 100% gainer in the silver sector in terms of recent purchases, and that's been Gatos Silver, so up another 18.04%. I think I'm up like 115% on this company now in the last month, and it's been absolutely crazy. Brand new IPO, one of the biggest IPOs since I believe it was 2010. Thomas Kaplan, he's the billionaire behind this. It keeps on running. Who knows how high it will go? I'm sure it will pull back at some point, but I've just been holding out, just basically holding anything silver related right now. So very good gains for Gatos Silver. Those are 3 triple-digit gainers, and the fourth one I wanted to talk about was Arcana. This was one stock that I identified. I believe it was around $1 not too long ago. This was, I believe it was around 90 cents to $1 when I started talking about it, up 13% today. It's a near-term producer, so that's why I'm in favor of this one. Arcana running another 13%, so awesome performance. One stock I wasn't happy with today was Vizsla Resources. The stock closed flat on the day. I like them because they're a near-term producer, but I don't like when the stock doesn't perform on a day when the metals are absolutely rallying like crazy. So I want to figure out what's going on with them. Let's take a look at the next company, Silver One Resources. Silver One Resources also having a very great day, up 8.96%. Let's talk about one of our most favorite stocks in the silver mining sector. And apparently this was mentioned on CNBC's Fast Money, I believe it was, as one of their top picks. Fortuna Silver Mines. I've voiced my opinion on this stock as it's one of my favorite producers, mid to large cap producers. Currently has a $2.18 billion market cap, and it absolutely made a breakout now above 10. I think it's going into the mid-teens if silver continues to run. I'm super happy to see it, and I can't believe just back in March, although not a big position, although it's gone up 600% almost by now, was able to snag some shares at $2 per share. Now we're almost at 12. So that was an interesting trade. It's funny how, a lot of people were anything you bought in the crash back in March, you pretty much made money on. But geez, Fortuna has been a six-bagger almost so far, so pretty happy with that. Now I also wanted to talk about the large cap gold mining stocks, and we finally saw these stocks start to run. Barrick Gold up 8.55%. I was saying how the dividend yield on some of these large cap gold mining stocks is actually quite impressive. I feel like they're so undervalued compared to the amount of money that they're going to be making. Kirkland Lake up 8.24%. Added more of that to the portfolio today. Newmont Gold up another, let's see here. Newmont Gold up 6% today. Really liking the yield on Newmont, roughly 2.66%. And then last but not least, let's take a look and see what Fosterville South did, and it closed up 9.3% today. So gold stocks, silver stocks, we're almost getting double-digit gains for the gold sector, and then of course we're getting lots of double-digit gainers for the silver sector. So overall, guys, fantastic day for gold and silver. Congratulations to all of my gold and silver bulls. But now let's get into the psychedelic sector, which didn't have as good of a day. Mindmed's financing should be closing tomorrow, so I gotta say I am pretty excited about that. It's still trading over 3 million shares on the day, which is pretty impressive in my opinion. Nothing like the volume that we got when the stock was absolutely going nuts. But even though we dropped today, down 3%, we didn't hit lower lows just yet. So this still looks like a bull flag to me. I'm hoping that we can get some news, at least, some people excited about them closing their financing. They're going to have a lot more cash in the bank now, or at least cash on their balance sheet. So things are looking pretty good for Mindmed. I expected a bit of a pullback. So, I've been nibbling away at these prices, not going crazy. Today I did pick up a little more than normal just because I feel like why not? It's the day before financing closes. So we'll give it a few more thousand shares and see what happens. And then last but not least, I want to talk about Numinous Wellness. So Numinous Wellness had a decent close, up 4.67%. This stock finally looks like it's kind of bottoming out, and it'd be nice to see Numi pick back up. So I feel like the psychedelic sector right now, it's just continuing to consolidate. I feel like we will have more gains on the way. Today was kind of like a risk-off day, but I feel like that news is just going to blow over. I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Once again, that's just my opinion, not financial advice. Please don't buy or sell stocks because I talk about them on here. This is strictly just my opinion. So anyways, guys, that's it for the video. I also wanted to say, last but not least, that on Departure's stocks today, I will be dropping a brand new video for all of you guys, pretty much just recapping and talking about, the stocks I bought and sold. Did make some sales today. And then, of course, the stocks that are on my watch list. So today's video for Departure stocks, it's going to be all about positioning for the new year, stocks I'm looking at, buys, sells, there was a lot of trades made today, so we'll be talking all about that, guys. Anyways, that's it for the video. We're out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, guys, Departure's capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.